I know you don't drink black pepper tea. In fact, you probably never even thought about it, right? But imagine this sipping on a cup of something fiery, sharp, and spicy, all while giving your body a powerful health boost. Sounds crazy? Well, what if I told you that black pepper isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a secret weapon for your health, and it might just be the next big thing in your tea cupboard? Today, we're diving into the spicy world of black pepper, its surprising benefits, and how it could actually play a part in your next cup of tea. Stick around because you might be about to rethink this everyday spice. Black pepper, or Piper nigrum, is a small, flowering vine native to southern India. The peppercorn's dried berries from this plant are used worldwide, from seasoning your food to serving as a medicinal herb. It's been around for thousands of years. Once traded like gold, it still holds its place as one of the world's most common spices. Here's a fun fact. In ancient times, black pepper was considered so valuable that it was used as currency. The Roman Empire even paid tributes in pepper. It was worth its weight in gold, and traders would risk their lives just to secure this precious spice. No wonder they called it black gold. Now, let's see what makes black pepper more than just a spice. The main active compound in black pepper is piperine, which is responsible for that burning sensation and a host of health benefits. But that's not all. Black pepper also contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. Let's talk about why you really want to know more about black pepper. Aside from giving your food some heat, it's known to support digestion, fight inflammation, and boost circulation. But here's the kicker. Piperine enhances the bioavailability of other nutrients, meaning it helps your body absorb more from the foods and supplements you take. For instance, when combined with turmeric, piperine increases the absorption of curcumin, the powerful antioxidant in turmeric, by up to 2,000%. That's not a typo, 2,000%. So if you're drinking turmeric tea for its anti-inflammatory benefits, adding a pinch of black pepper could make it 20 times more effective. Amazing, right? Black pepper also supports brain function, helps with metabolism, and can even aid in weight loss. It's no wonder it's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. But wait, black pepper isn't just good for your digestion or brain. It's also a secret weapon when it comes to fighting colds. In Ayurvedic medicine, it's used to clear blocked sinuses and fight nasal congestion. If you're feeling under the weather, try mixing black pepper with honey and warm water. It's a surprisingly effective natural remedy for sore throats. Black pepper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's the seasoning that can enhance anything from savory dishes to sweet treats. Sprinkled on everything from pasta to grilled meats, and even in fruit-based desserts. In some cultures, it's even paired with chocolate. Who knew this fiery spice could be so versatile? Now let's talk about something you might not have considered. Black pepper as tea. While it's not the first thing that comes to mind when you think of tea, it actually can be used to brew a spicy, health-boosting drink. In places like India, black pepper is combined with other herbs like ginger and turmeric to make a drink called kashayam, which is believed to improve digestion and boost immunity. This spicy brew might not be your typical tea, but it could be exactly what you need to feel energized and fight off a cold. To make black pepper tea, just crush a few peppercorns and steep them in hot water for a few minutes. Add honey or lemon to cut the spice, and you've got a powerful drink that's both warming and full of health benefits. And here's something really cool. Did you know that black pepper can even enhance the effectiveness of other herbal teas? Adding just a pinch of pepper to your turmeric or ginger tea can increase the bioavailability of the beneficial compounds, making your tea even more potent. Now that's a simple way to get more from your herbs. So, the next time you're reaching for your spice rack, don't forget about black pepper. It's more than just a seasoning. It's a health powerhouse that can be used in your meals, supplements, and even in your tea. Who knew this humble kitchen spice could do so much? Thanks for watching. You're ready to explore more unique herbs and teas? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.